Very good morning friends. Today I am going to show the demo how to connect MySQL with Java. So I am going to create the database and table using XAMPP server. So this is my XAMPP control panel. So you have to start two services, one is Apache and another one is called MySQL. So you can see the status has changed as running. So Apache app status change detected is running, and another thing is MySQL app status detected is running. So open the browser. So you have to open the browser. So type the URL http://localhost. So if you are typing this URL and you are getting this XAMPP information, XAMPP, Apache, MariaDB, PHP, Perl. So XAMPP abbreviation will be A for Apache, M for MariaDB, P for PHP and another P for Perl. So X for any operating system. Now we have to create the database. To create the database, just put localhost and php myadmin. Localhost php myadmin. So you can see here your MySQL working window. So this is a GUI based open source database. So just click database option. So I am going to create a new database. So I am giving this particular database name as MySQL and just create. Just click the create button. So database MySQL is created and you can see the information, no tables found in this particular database. So now we have to create the table. So I am going to create the table called student. So just enter this table name student and number of columns you want to have it for your table. So that is I am going to have 3. Just click go button. So here my table is created. I am going to enter the field name for my table. So my table name is student. So I am giving it here. So department number, then student name and age. So I can have age as third field. So department number I can have it as varchar or text. Name also I can have varchar or text. So integer, age as integer. So you can have it like this. So department number, varchar means you can have both text and numbers. So length I have to specify. So length I am giving department number as 10 and name as 20 and integer as 3. So that's it. So leave this storage engine InnoDB. So default storage engine InnoDB. So just leave everything as it is and just click save. So you can see here my table is structure of my table, department number, name, age. Now I have to insert the value. Click that insert tab and we have to enter the value. So I am giving this value as 22 CS 001. Department number, name Ramesh, and age as 21, age as 19. Again I want to insert another value. I am giving as again 22 CS 002 and department number is 22 CS 002, name. So I am entering value as Kumar, age as 19, and I want to have one more value, means I can insert. So enough. So just click this go option, go button. So you can see the query is written insert into student, department number, name, age, values. So 22 CS 001 Ramesh, age 19, 22 CS 002 Kumar, age 19. And if you want to see the values of your table, just click this select option. So the query will be created here. So just click go. You can see the values of your table. So department number, name, age, again department number, name Kumar, age 19. Now you have to write the Java program. So minimize the screen. So I have written already the Java program. So just so this is my Java program, and I have named this particular program as JDB MySQL. So let me explain this particular program. Very first line, import java.sql.star. That means you are importing all the packages of SQL to this particular program. The next one is next line, class JDB MySQL, means it is the user defined class. So my own convenience I have given this particular name. So open floor braces for this particular class. Then after that, public static void main string arguments. This is your Java main function. Then body of the main function starting from this particular open floor brace. Then I have put this particular code inside the try block. That means this program, when I am connecting Java with MySQL, there may be a possibility of getting some error when I am connecting these two things. So I am just putting this code inside the try block. So why I have to put it inside the try block means, if any error occurs during the connectivity, my execution of the program will not get stuck. So at least it will give me the output. So very first line, class dot for name. So you are loading this particular driver to this particular class called JDB MySQL. So the particular driver provided is com.mysql.jdbc.driver. This is the driver we are supposed to load it for to connect Java with MySQL. Then connection object. So driver manager dot get connection. So this particular driver manager which having the method called get connection, which is used to connect both the PHP and Java and MySQL using this particular URL JDBC colon MySQL colon. JDBC means Java database connectivity. MySQL, so you know very well, it is a open source database, and we have to use this URL called localhost. So that is how we are accessing the server, localhost colon port number slash MD. So MD is the database name. So here I have created a new thing. So Magi is my database name, then root is the username, and 2 empty space, it is nothing but I am giving it for password. So URL to connect your MySQL means localhost, then followed by your database name, then followed by username root, and followed by password. So this 336, it is nothing but the port number. So we have to make sure, so you can see the port number, MySQL port number is 3306. So this port number you have to use it here in the connectivity. The next one is statement object is equal to connection or connection object dot create statement. It is used to create the statement. Then result set, again RS is the result set object, statement dot execute query. So execute query, it is nothing but the method which is used to execute whatever may be the query inside this particular execute query method. So here I have given the query as select star from my table name is student. So I am changing it as select star from student. While rs dot next, so result set, we have to move it like one by one. So we have to give it like this, result set. So rs dot while loop, result is rs dot next, then system dot out dot println, result set rs dot get string, value of the first one, then empty space, result set value of the second field, get string. So department number, it is in the form of varchar, again name, it is in the form of varchar, then again we have one more field. For that we have to write the code. So plus symbol, double quotes, again double quotes, then after that you have to put rs dot get. So get string, here integer, so we have to use get int, that is it. So we have to close the connection which we have established in the this particular line. Then catch exception, so we are closing the class. Then if we have any error in this particular program, we have to catch this error by mentioning this catch exception E. If any error is occurred, we can print it by using system dot out dot println of E. Then closing the main function, closing the main class, and this is the code. So as I said already, so we have to save this particular program as JDB MySQL. Where we have to save means we have to save JDK 1.8 / bin, where I have to save my program as JDB MySQL .java, and I have to save it as all types. So all files type. So I am just saving. Since I have already saved, it is giving warning, do you want to replace it? I am giving yes. Now file is saved. So we have to set the class path. So this line you should remember, code to set path, C colon set class path is equal to C colon / JDK 1.8 / JRE / lib / extension / MySQL underscore connector dot jar. See, you have to understand one thing, both MySQL and Java is different technologies. So we have to write the connectivity, that connectivity part can be taken care by this particular jar file, that is mysql underscore connector.jar. This file will take the configuration part of connectivity between Java and MySQL. So now we are going to run this particular program. So to run the program, go to that command prompt. So cd double dot we have to change the directory to JDK 1.8/bin. So this is where we have saved our program. So Java C, to compile the program, Java C JDB mysql dot Java. Okay. So let me check this code again. We will go with these two things. Now it is not giving error. I think we have to give the argument as 3. That's the error. Will execute it again. Now I am just copying this path. Copying this class path and paste it in this particular command prompt, control V. So now I have pasted this particular mysql underscore connector dot jar. So I am going to set the class path, enter. Now I have to execute the program Java, class name alone JDB mysql. So enter. So you can see the 22CS001 Ramesh and 22CS002 Kumar. So we are not getting the third argument integer age, we are not getting. So we will check it here. So this is where I have to add the code. So I have to put plus symbol, then double quotes, empty space, double quotes, then result set dot get integer. So I have to put integer, then integer of argument 3. So again now I have to close it. So after making modification, I am saving this particular file. Save. Now go to command prompt. So Java C JDB mysql dot Java. So it's giving some thing error expected, colon, semicolon expected. Let's see. This plus symbol is missing, so it's giving like the error like that. So again save. Now again I am executing. By just clicking that arrow keys, I can get the code again, Java C JDB mysql.java. So now the program is successfully compiled. Now I am giving Java JDB mysql. You can see the age now. So 22CS001 Ramesh, age 19, 22CS002 name Kumar, age 19. You can see the output. So now I want to insert one more value, means that also I can do it. So for that I have to go to this insert option. I want to add one more value, so I am giving it as 22 CS003 and name as Vasant and integer age as I am giving it as 18. Just click go. So you can see the value here, SQL, then select, click go. So you can see here the third value also inserted. Now go to this command prompt. You have to compile the code Java C JDB mysql dot Java JDB mysql. So you can see the values which is there in your MySQL table. You can see it as a result in your command prompt. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you.